day and welcome to the news. Sunday Igboho gives Oriyomi Hamzat 24 hours to drop viral video he makes against him. Now, the news in details. Popular journalist Oriyomi Hamzat have come out to give advice after the release of Sunday Igboho from prison in Benin Republic. He came out to urge all Oduduwa agitators that they should refrain from posting videos of their jubilation at the release of Sunday Igboho online. And this didn't sit well with a lot of Oduduwa supporters, as they felt he didn't do anything to show his support for Sunday Igboho while Sunday Igboho was in prison. And why is he coming out now that he is out of prison to speak? He said that he knows the release conditions of Sunday Igboho and he will advise all Oduduwa supporters and all Oduduwa agitators to refrain from posting how happy they are online, as this can hinder Sunday Igboho's release. This caused a lot of fracas and uproar in the Oduduwa community, as they felt that Oriyomi did nothing to speak for Sunday Igboho while he was in prison. They said having a big platform like that of Oriyomi, with so many listeners on radio, that he didn't do much for Sunday Igboho, that he kept quiet and instead focused his energy and his time on other issues, but didn't really speak on Sunday Igboho's arrest. But the minute Sunday Igboho is released, he comes out to tell them that they should not celebrate and they should not post the videos of their jubilations and celebrations online. This didn't fit well with a lot of Oduduwa supporters, of course. Aside from Oriyomi, another journalist who withheld his name came out to say that the video of Sunday Igboho supporters jubilating should not be posted online, as this can cause problem. He also went on to advise Sunday Igboho not to receive visitors in his home, saying that when he was in captivity, when he was imprisoned, a lot of people didn't bother to check up on him, didn't bother to ask how he was. Nobody went to the prison to see him. But now that he's being released, a lot of people are coming from left, right, center to visit him. And he should be careful of all his visitors. That he should be careful of who he allows into his house. And anyone that comes to visit him at this moment should not be allowed to take a video or film him. This is just what this reporter is saying, as he said that a lot of things are still going on behind closed doors, which we are not well aware of. This reporter has corroborated the story of Oriyomi, which is to say that Sunday Igboho is free, but to make sure he's free, a lot of things has to be done. This has obviously met with a lot of backlash, especially from the Oduduwa community. But this reporter is saying that he's a staunch supporter of the Oduduwa community, and he wants nothing more but for Sunday Igboho to be free, and that's why he's coming out to say what he said, that the best way to keep Sunday Igboho free is to refrain from posting videos of jubilations and celebrations online, as the government could see it as something else. As it stands now, a lot of people just want the Oduduwa community to come together. They don't want any fight. They don't want any beef. They don't want any malice to be carried between two important people in the Oduduwa community. And a lot of people have a lot of things to say. Felicia Shonekon says, "We thank God for the life of Chief Sunday Igboho. His efforts will not be in vain. For the fight that he is fighting for Yoruba nation, God will give him long life and good health, as he did for Mandela. We thank God. Dennis says, nobody's above mistake. He was busy with numerous activities going on in Nigeria. Someone should have well called him to advise in regards. We thank God for Chief Sunday Igboho. We should also appreciate Alhaji Hamzat Oriyomi for what he has been doing in Yoruba land. Immeasurable respect for both of you. Wasiu Ekiowo commented, I just wanted us to have a good relationship with each other and have belief that everyone has a way of fighting for this independence. Because what we need now is coded plans. So for this reason, I can't blame anyone. Because we all know that we are in heartless government. We are in a heartless government time right now. They can do anything to anyone against them. Let us remember what they did to Yinka Ayefele without any reasonable crime. Ralph Ade says, Yoruba nation, be more united and love one another. We can see from these comments that these people just want the Yoruba nation to stick together. And like someone said, maybe Oriyomi was being coded with his plans, as the government could have done anything to him if he showed interest in Sunday Igboho. And a lot of people just want the Oduduwa nation to come together and stick as one, as this is their fight against bad governance. Adebanke Ayomide says, this is not the time to blame anyone at all. As a Yoruba, we cannot sleep and face the same place. This is just to say that a lot of Yoruba people are tired and they want their own nation. And at this moment, they respect both Sunday Igboho as well as Oriyomi Hamzat. And they want them to come together to fight for the nation. And they're saying, Oduduwa nation is all about love and peace, and we want to come together and fight for our nation. We don't have to start fighting within ourselves, as this may be what the government really wants, and this is not what they need right now. With the government being at their backs and really pushing off this Oduduwa nation, it's time for the people of Oduduwa nation to come together as one and solve their problems. Rather than fight, they need to come together as one and fight with people that are against them. With these comments here, I would love to hear the comments and the views of our able listeners. Tell us what you think about this news. What do you think about Sunday Igboho? What do you think about Oriyomi Hamzat? Who do you think is in the wrong right here? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That's it from us today, guys. Till next time, God bless.